Back to the VIEZU workshop, I'm James, and today on our dyno we've got this Jaguar XE S V6 that's come to us for our legendary V6 Predator upgrade. What is that, I hear you ask? Well, let me just tell you, it's upper and lower pulley upgrades, a performance remap from VIEZU and some K&N Air filters. But before we get into any of that, we'll get it strapped down to the dyno, find out exactly what it's running now. So this Jag has actually been to us before for a 200 cell CAT upgrade, and after that first run we can see that it's running 405 brake horsepower and 480 Newton meters of torque, which is a little boost over the stock figures, which we can account for with the 200 cell CATs. But we can definitely improve on that with all the upgrades we've yet to do. So it's time to let our workshop team and the file writers get stuck into the car and get all the technical work done before we find out exactly what everything adds up to. First, our team need to read the ECU file from this Jaguar, so our file writers upstairs can really get stuck into writing a brand new performance map. We'll get back to the science later, but right now our technicians need to get stuck in to replacing the upper and lower pulleys on this Jag and replacing the air filters. To give you a brief idea as to why upgrading the pulleys in your Jaguar can, well, give you so much more power, here's a little brief explanation. This is a standard upper pulley. This is one of our VIEZU performance ones. Difference is up to 10% depending on which model you have, and fitting one of these smaller pulleys allows the supercharger to spin faster and increase the pressure in the supercharger by 1 to 2 psi. The supercharger is a fixed system, so the engine will only spin at a certain speed, so we have to make physical modification in order to increase that pressure and increase airflow into the engine. Meanwhile, increasing the size of the crank pulley, this is a stock crank pulley and this is the much larger Paramount Performance crank pulley we fit, increases the rate at which the engine can turn the supercharger belt, thus speeding up the supercharger and again increasing the pressure inside the supercharger. So the combined effect of fitting the upper supercharger pulley and the larger crank pulley has the effect of gearing up the supercharger, overall increasing boost in the supercharger and, well, just giving more power and more air into that engine. All of this is done while staying within the safe maximums of the supercharger itself, so you'll get extra performance without putting too much stress onto the supercharger. And, well, while we're at it, the supercharger belts that we use are made from the same quality materials to the same high standards as the OEM ones fitted originally in the vehicle. Of course, having fitted all these mechanical upgrades, you will need to have a performance remap like we're fitting to this car to accommodate all of those changes and really extract the maximum power. If you'd like to know more about the process of fitting crank pulleys to cars and the processes we go through here at VIEZU, check out our video on that topic in the description. The mechanical work's nearly complete, so let's head back upstairs to our technical team to find out how that new file's coming on.
On this Jaguar XE that's previously been into us for the 200 cell CAT upgrade, we're now putting the full V6 Predator package on this. So this means we're going back into the ECU and adding the further changes to support those hardware modifications that are made with the V6 Predator. We've already done modifications to the airflow for the new catalytic converters that are in there, the high flow units. We've made fueling, timing changes and things to suit that modification that's already in there. Now it's a case of unlocking the rest of that full potential from the V6 Predator kit with the smaller supercharger pulley and the larger crank pulley and custom belt on there, really opening up the maximum amount of airflow we can get through this engine. So this is both parts of the Predator package now pulled together to give the best overall improvement on the vehicle, allowing us that full maximum safe potential from the ECU to unlock everything that engine's got to give in a nice, smooth, progressive and of course safe, reliable way.
Right, all the upgrades are completed and the file has been written back to the ECU. It's time to get it strapped back down to our dyno to find out what all of those upgrades have done to the performance of this Jag. Jaguar XE is now running a staggering 460 brake horsepower and 565 Newton meters of torque, and that is the effect of the V6 Predator upgrade here at VIEZU. And if your Jaguar is ready for the Predator upgrade too, then give our team a call on 01789 77 4444 or email us at info@viezu.com.